Dear friends, growth of any industry or profession is very important. We all have seen some industry or professions are having demand in the market or field and some are not. Why it is like that? All are doing well, they are having good products or service even though it happens. If any industry or a profession wants to develop or survive in the market or in the field, it must change its policies, products, strategies of a behavior and upgrade the knowledge and bring the innovations time to time as per the demand of consumers or market. For example, if any company or a profession does not modify their products according to the market demand, it loses its market value and one day it closes its door. Another best example I want to quote here in the field of sports, that is cricket. Yes, previously duration of one day matches played between the two teams was usually 60 overs. Then it reduced to 50 overs. Later on, as the time passed away, one day matches were losing its popularity when T20 matches were introduced. Now, Premier Leagues are getting very much popularity than one day as well as test matches. Likewise, you see the automobile industries. During the time of 1950 to 1980, Ambassador was the only the car used to see in the market. It does not modify its model, capacity and safety measures. Now we are not able to see single Ambassador car except museum. Now it has become museum model. Hence, if we want to alive in the market, we must bring innovations in the profession in which we all are working. For that, we must seek the newer knowledge and skills to upgrade our profession. How do we get newer knowledge? By doing research. Yes friends, research helps us to get newer knowledge and upgrade our profession time to time according to the market demand. So today here I am going to discuss about nursing research. Before that, I would like to welcome you all to Channagiri's nursing education tutorials. Here I want to remind you that if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now and don't forget to share your friends. Dear friends, before going to the definition of nursing research, let us discuss what is nursing research. In previous session, I have discussed about the meaning, definition and characteristics of research. I hope all of you have got the idea about meaning of research. Here, the nursing research is concerned with systematic study and assessment of nursing problems or phenomena, finding ways to improve nursing practice and patient care through creative studies, initiating and evaluating change, and taking action to make new knowledge useful in nursing. Yes, nursing research is confined to nursing profession, which is a systematic study that we have discussed earlier. Nursing research studies the problems and phenomena among the nursing profession, and here it tries to improve the nursing practice and patient care through the creative and innovative studies done on a particular nursing problem. The nursing research initiate as well as evaluate the changes made over to make new knowledge useful in nursing. What we are getting it from the outcomes of research studies. This is what the nursing research. Let us see the definition of nursing research. The most understandable and acceptable definition was given by Pollitt and Hungler. According to the Pollitt and Hungler, Nursing research is a process in which the researcher scientifically collects data to be used in clinical, administrative, or instructional area in order to find out solutions to nursing problems, evaluate nursing practices, procedures, policies, curriculum, assess the need of patient, staff, or students, and make decisions to change or continue various nursing process, which in turn advances the scientific knowledge in nursing field. Yes friends, according to author, and we all know that nursing has a major three areas. The first one is administrative area, the second one is clinical, that is hospital and community area, and instructive, that is educational area. So what the definition says here is the nursing research finds a solution for problems in these all areas and brings out advancement in scientific knowledge of nursing profession. The next question arises that what is the importance of research in nursing? Let me explain it here. The first importance is validation as a profession. Yes, as I discussed earlier, if any profession wants to be in market, it must and should be valid. How we determine the profession is valid? That is based upon the fulfillment of demand of present market. Means research brings changes in the profession time to time and improves body of knowledge. Hence, for validation of a profession, we must require research in our profession. Next, scientific base for practice. Yes, we are calling nursing is based on science and art because we all do procedures on patient based on scientific principles. Hence, as science advances in its knowledge, it brings changes in practice also. Hence, to improve the scientific knowledge of nursing profession, then we must require research in our field. Next, the important point is accountability. Yes, we must and should have accountability for what all things we are going to do in our nursing profession, as well as what all procedures we are going to perform on patients. Yes, research gives us accountability as the results of the research studies are scientifically proven. Next is improvement in nursing care. Yes, research brings improvement in nursing care because by doing research, body of knowledge will increase and simultaneously nursing care also improves. Next, cost effectiveness of nursing care. Yes, we all know that health is fundamental right of human being, and for being healthy he should not increase the cost of being healthy. Means nursing of health facilities should not be costly and affordable to each and every individual. By the help of research, we can make our nursing care to the patient cost effective and affordable. Next is identifying role of nurse in changing society. Yes friends, our human society is changing day by day and it is demanding highly qualitative as well as cost effective nursing care. Accordingly, the role of the nurse is also changing. For example, along with nursing care, the nurse must play as educator role, caregiver, advisor, advocate, etc. This all because of innovations brought out by research only. Hence, research helps us to identify our role according to the situation or condition of a patient. Next, discovering new measures for nursing practice. Yes, research discovers new measures for nursing practice. For example, in high contamination or isolation ward, we can use robots for providing care to the patients. Next, helps to make prompt decisions. Yes, if we have results for a same problem, we can take the decision quickly and promptly. Means research outcome help us to take quick decisions for a similar problems. And last one is research help us to improve standard of nursing care. So friends, almost all professions or fields require research to improve their body of knowledge, to bring innovations and improvements in the field, and most importantly, to stay alive in the market. Likewise, research is also important in nursing. Dear friends, I hope all of you understood regarding what is nursing research, definition of nursing research, and its importance in nursing. For more videos about research and other related nursing subjects, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for listening and watching the video and being with me. Thank you.